Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday morning. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell, and we got a little bit of volatility to the downside in markets. The S&P has just sold off about 25 points in about the last hour, folks. We're looking at an S&P right now, minus 1 point at 3146. Dow futures positive by 51, 26,019. NASDAQ futures negative 21, 10,578. I'm going to jump right into it with yesterday's action in the S&Ps. About 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the sell-off really begins. You go from about 32.20. You finish the day at about 31.40. You're talking about 80 S&P points. And guess what, folks? We've now eclipsed those lows just in the last 15 minutes. You see, these are 5-minute bars. Just in the last 5-6 minutes, I was on the air, and we just dipped below the low, which we had, which was 31.40. We just traded to a low of 31.35, currently trading 31.39.50. Jumping over to the Dow, not quite back at those levels. A little bit of a different story. Yesterday's lows in the Dow at about 25,914. We're about 70 points above that level, 25,979. The NQs, quite a day yesterday and quite a sell-off. We were above 11,000. We trade down to about 10,550, below those levels as well. Crude contract down 75 cents at 39.35. You see the lows that we had on yesterday, actually traded to a low at about midnight of 39.09. Gold contract off $8, but we're well off the lows we had early this morning in gold at about 6 a.m. You have gold trading at 17.91, currently trading at 18.05. What else we have going on? Big day of earnings for some of the banks. JP Morgan delivering in a big way, but pairing some of those gains. We closed at 97.65. They're up to 99.20. On the flip side of that, you got Wells Fargo and Citi, both trading lower. Wells Fargo down about $1.40 from 25.40 to 24.01. Citi was higher, but now lower to the tune of about 30 cents from 52.20 to 51.90. You got Delta earnings out this morning as well, losing $5.7 billion in 90 days, folks. Delta down about 80 cents on their numbers as well. And we'll check in on the VIX. The VIX, 32.10 as we get some elevated levels. The close yesterday, 32.45 in that VIX. Stay tuned, folks. Should be an interesting day in the markets, to say the least. We got our man Larry Pesavento coming up live with Trade What You See at 9. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. And don't forget, check it out, please. Just launched my new service, Rocket Equities and Options Report. Right on the front page of TFNN, you can lock in 50% savings for the life of your subscription with promo code ROCKET. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento coming up live right now.